IMarEST Connect is the new meeting place for members. It's the place to connect with colleagues, ask questions, discuss issues, share best practices, challenges, accomplishments, and more. Let's take a look. The homepage updates all conversations in real time. Click on any of the topics to dive in. Topics are chronological conversations made up of member posts. Posts can include links, videos, and documents. If you're used to using LinkedIn or Facebook, you'll get it right away. Replies can include specific quotes. What's there for you to explore? As a member, you can join the discussion by hitting the reply button under any post. Use favorite and bookmark tools to come back later. You can find bookmarks up here. Topics are organized into categories. Categories are noted with the topic titles. Click the category name to see all topics in that category. You can start a topic from most pages. Press New Topic, add imagery through the upload icon or paste from your clipboard. Add video links and files. Add emojis. Add mention members to alert them to your posts. All these options are available in replies and personal messages. Reply through buttons or selecting a piece of a post for a quote reply. Send messages to any member through their profiles. Now, how do we find specific topics? Home is a chronological list of all conversations. Use search to find conversations and people. Get started by updating your profile, always available at top right. Upload a profile picture by clicking on Preferences. Manage your community experience through settings and other areas, including how often you want to receive notifications and email. Any questions? Check out the FAQ or Ask Away in the All Member Forum. Thanks for being a part of our community.